In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your money on PayPal. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your balance, how to view more details about it, and how to review your recent activity so you always know what's going on with your account. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone or go to the official PayPal website in your browser. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, the home screen is your hub. On many devices, you'll see your PayPal balance displayed right at the top. If you don't see it immediately, tap or click on Wallet. That section is designed to show your balance as well as any linked funding sources. Now tap or click your balance. This opens a more detailed view. Here you'll typically see your available balance and, if applicable, any pending or on hold amounts. Available means funds you can use right away for purchases or transfers. Pending amounts usually show when money is still processing or is on hold for a short period. If your account supports multiple currencies, this page may also show separate balances for each one along with the total. From this same area, you'll have the option to add money to your PayPal. Choose Add Money, then select where you want to add it from based on the options shown to you. The interface will guide you to choose a source, enter an amount, and preview the details. Take a moment to confirm everything looks right before you proceed. Processing times can vary depending on the source, so it's normal if the funds don't appear instantly in some cases. Next, head to Activity to review what's been happening in your account. This section lists your recent transactions, payments, and transfers in chronological order. It's helpful for confirming whether a payment went through, checking a refund, or spotting any unexpected charges. Select any transaction to open its details. You'll see the status, the amount, the date, and other relevant information so you can quickly understand what was paid, received, or moved. That's all you need to check your money on PayPal. Your available balance is visible on the home screen or wallet. You can tap your balance for more details and the option to add money, and the activity tab shows a clear history of everything that's happened in your account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.